Welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and you're on Rush Raymore Reviews. So we're at the Total Gilmore Drive. Gilmore Drive is to the right of the screen. We're in the Mullins area, and we're at the intersection of Mullins Road and Washington Boulevard. So these two gas stations face each other. So you have that's a church in front of us, and then that's a Texaco over there. So this is a very popular location. So anybody in Kingston knows this intersection, or probably most persons even in Jamaica, because this is a very central and busy location. So you have two gas stations facing each other at the stoplight of Mullins Road and Boulevard. So we'll be going up Mullins Road, and we'll be doing a drive from Mullins Road to Half a Tree. So stay tuned, guys. Watch to the end. And again, thank you for all your support. Thank you for all you do. And if you're new to the channel, or you've watched a few videos and haven't subscribed as yet, what are you waiting for? Tell me in the comments. So if you still feel like you don't want to subscribe, tell me what you're waiting for. So if it's something I can work on, I'll do that for you. But other than that, subscribing is free. It doesn't cost you, but it helps the channel to grow. Remember to like, remember to comment, and remember to share as well, so that other persons can see the great content that we have on this channel. You know, this channel is all Jamaica, everything Jamaica. So whether it's a new road, a new apartment, a new house, you know, some place to go have some fun, you know, places of interest, that's what we showcase on this channel. Alright guys, so stay tuned, and again, watch till the end. And we're on Mullins Road, heading into Half a Tree. Electrical on the right, then we have Bird's Auto on the left. That's the auto parts. Fastridges are hardware basically. We have a plaza on the left, a plaza on the right. A distributor on the right. This is another Mullins community on the left. And we have MJD Pharmaceutical Company, and then we have the left turn right here for Morton Park. So it's Morton Park Terrace, and it leads into Kasha Park. So we're now at the intersection of Mullins Road and Waltham Park. So that's where we're at, almost in Half a Tree as well. So stay tuned, watch to the end. Olympia Crown Hotel. Not even sure if anybody go over there anymore, but it's a nice space. I personally think it could be redeveloped into an apartment complex or a more modern hotel. That's what I think. Premix office on the right. So this is the stoplight for Mullins and Torrent Drive. Olympia Crown Hotel that I just mentioned, I did a little more detailed video on it, so I'll put that in the link. And also this newer plaza on the left right here with the lion's statue. Did a little bit more detailed video on that as well, so I'll put both in the links and in the comments so you guys can check those out, just to be able to, you know, share a better opinion on the Olympia Crown Hotel and also that new plaza we just passed. So we're basically in Half-Way Tree. Today specifically is a Sunday, so because it's a Sunday, traffic is way less, as you can realize. Today is also a 2 p.m. all island curfew, so a lot less persons would have been on the road. If only the traffic throughout the week would be like this, it would be amazing. Especially right here at this stoplight is the worst. You know, because of that I don't even drive this route, because this stoplight lasts for like probably 10 seconds, but yet this traffic that's now flowing, it will flow like for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, while this one that I'm on lasts for 10 seconds, and that will never be able to you know, flow through the amount of traffic that passes, you know, right here on Mullins Road. I don't know if the Transport Authority but I think with National Works Agency, I don't know if they have never looked into it or analyzed it, because they can change the duration of the green and the red. But you know, this section coming off Mullins is like couple seconds, and I'm sure you guys realizing how long this is flowing for already, and it started to flow from before we reach here. So it's on a green now, so let's time it. So gone about 2 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it changed again, because I was looking in my rear view mirror to see when the traffic started flowing again. So it lasts about 12 seconds, and the other direction lasts at least a minute and a half, 2 minutes. But I'm not sure if it's something, as I said, the NWA National Work Agency have looked into. I don't know if they know about it, but because of that, traffic is always bottled up there, except on a Sunday. So we're in Half-Way Tree, guys. So this was a drive from, you know, the intersection of Mullins and Boulevard into Half-Way Tree via Mullins Road. So I hope you guys enjoy the drive, and remember to leave your comments, remember to like and share the video as well, and remember to subscribe, guys. Also go over to my Instagram page, Rush Raymore Reviews, so Rush Raymore Reviews JA. I'll put the link in the comments as well. That's my Instagram page. I'm trying to grow the following over that side, so I would really appreciate your support, guys. Alright, so thanks for watching, and I'll definitely see you on another driving video. Really appreciate the support.